Hey y'all, this is Kayleigh with Sanborn Orthodontics, and today I'm going to be going over our Ortho Rescue Kit. Now this kit is something we just started offering in our office, and it's really cool. So we have a mouth mirror, a distal end cutter, some numbing gel, wax, and then an alcohol wipe to wipe everything off with. We also offer our numbing gel. This is new. If you have a pokey spot anywhere, your lips bothering you anywhere, all you would do is just take it out, squirt it on your finger, and then rub around, and the lip area will become a little numb, and then you can come in and see us. If it's on a weekend or you're on a trip somewhere and you can't make it to an office, this will help you guys a lot. So as you guys know, we always offer wax every time you guys come in here. We do also put them in our rescue kit. So all you need to know is just pinch it off, ball it up, and put it on a place that's bothering you, okay? So now we'll go into our other instruments that come in the rescue kit. This guy is just a little white stick. It has a little pointy end on the end and just a round part on the other end. Now this can be used as a couple different things. If you have a door that is open, all of your brackets will have doors, but this one looks a little different because the door is open. All you do is take the end piece, press against the door, and close it just like that. And then it will look just like all the other ones. Also, sometimes we need a little support, so we'll add a little steel tie. And you might notice it pop up and poke your cheeks just a little bit. So what you want to do with that is take the end piece as well, push it ever so slightly, and just tuck it in, and it will look just like that. So we're going to go into our last two things that we offer in our rescue kit, one of them being our mouth mirror, and then our other is our distal end cutter. So the mouth mirror has a few different things you can use. So one of them being, you can go in your cheek and pull open your cheek to see back there, or you can flip it over and you'll be able to use the mouth mirror to see if there's anything poking and bothering you on each side, or if you just want to see how good you get your teeth cleaned. The distal end cutter helps cut pokey wires. Now once your teeth start to shift, you may notice a pokey wire come about, or if you get a new wire and you realize, oh, I didn't tell my assistant that I had a pokey wire, you will be able to fix it and not have to come back in. So how you're going to do that, you are going to hold the distal end cutter like this so you can open and close. Then you want to go in like this, and don't worry, it's not going to cut your cheek, so you don't have to worry about that. You're going to find the pokey wire while holding your cheek open, and then you're going to go all the way up close to that bracket, and then you're going to squeeze, and you'll hear a little snap. That means the wire got cut, and then you'll slightly pull it out, still holding on to the wire, and then dispose of it. Now you will feel that you do not have a pokey wire, and if it's still poking you, just put some wax on it and we will fix it for you.